So refreshing. Best juice ever. Welcome you all to SihalaDerana. Wanna order juice in Sri Lanka? Then you better know the Sinhala juice names. Let's get started. Orange juice. For juice, we say beam, beam. But you know what? Most of the Sinhalese use the same word, juice. So I prefer that for you as well. Orange juice. Dodam beam. Dodam beam. Apple juice. Apple juice. It's easy to say. And it's same in Sinhala too. No stress, but if you wanna show off your Sinhala skills, try. Apple beam. Apple beam. Wood apple juice. Dual beam. Dual beam. Or you can say dual juice. Avocado juice. Alligator pera beam. Okay, that's a bit long. Let me say it again. Alligator pera bean. Alligator pera bean. Papaya juice. For papaya, we say in Sinhala, gas labu. And you already know for juice, we say beam. Together, gas labu beam. Alright, cuties, that's it for today's video. Now I hope you can order your juice like a pro in Sinhala. Ini gimana? Cari seninya.